Hello everyone, if you are feeling there is nothing happening in your life, everything feels stuck, nothing feels moving, then this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Kiran Gaikwad, founder of Top 5% Club. What I'm going to discuss today is the practice that we can do to overcome overthinking and mental stress. The situation outside is very stressful, and just reading this news, okay, wait. Hardly people read nowadays, right? I would say that just watching the news will put you into the panic situation, and this can happen to you or this can happen to anyone. Many people are suffering with the mental health issues, and the reason is that they are just anticipating over their future. If you are one of them, or if you are this, if it is happening to you, then you need this practice. And the practice I'm talking about is writing a gratitude journal. Dr. P. Murali Doraiswamy said that if thankfulness were a drug, it would be the world's best-selling product. I am so grateful to him that he said that. When I heard that for the first time, that is where I started pondering about the gratitude and made this practice as a part of my life. So let's understand what is gratitude and why you need this practice. Gratitude is an emotion like any other emotion in our life, but this one needs a practice. Let's just think back in your life when you was in any crisis situation where you was there stuck for a very long period of time, but somebody helped you to come out of that problem. What was your feeling about that person at that time? Gratitude teaches us to appreciate what we have and make us happy about what we are, and also in whatever the process we are going through in our life. Now, I want you to remind you with the quote from the Einstein, and it goes like this: adversity introduces a man to himself. Yes, I will say that again. Adversity introduces to man to himself. And this is one of the foundational quote to appreciate the challenges and to be grateful for all the situation in your life. The meaning is that adversity will build your character, and just not build a bare character, it will build a stronger character and stronger version of yourself. It's easy to be grateful for the things when everything is going on your way, but the real challenges come when everything starts falling apart and nothing is going on your way, and somebody tells you at that moment to be grateful for the situation that you are in. You may be thinking about right now that there are many things going in my life. I am facing so many challenges, and why he is telling me to be grateful for. Are you? But my friends, even if you are in that crisis situation, you have to be grateful for the situation, and the reason is there is one activity that is the foundational activity which will make you a stronger version of yourself. It is the William Artur said this: adversity causes some men to break and some to break the record. Learn that. Learn to appreciate every situation in your life and be open to all the challenges you go through. And to appreciate that, start with the day with writing a gratitude journal. When you start implementing this practice, you will open up a new space for more things to be grateful for in your life, and it will attract many things to be grateful for. This is one of the best practices I am doing, and I will tell you guys, this is the powerful activity that keeps me going in every situation in my life. I start my day with writing gratitude journal, and it's been more than 3 years now. I am practicing this in my everyday life. This gives me a mental toughness which I have built over a period of time, and this is the practice helped me to do that. Start with writing a gratitude and do it first thing in the morning. Appreciate the process, appreciate what you have, appreciate your efforts. Even nobody is appreciating your efforts, you do it for yourself. This will change your mindset, and this will something that we will talk in upcoming videos. But if you have fear, if you are in some kind of mental stress, this will be the best practice that you can do. Always remember, we always have more than whatever we required in our life, but we compare ourselves with others and forget about what we have. Don't live in the imaginary fearful world, live in the real and happy world. You really don't need anything extraordinary to start this practice. Take a piece of paper and start. write the things such as I'm grateful for my parents, I'm grateful for my health, I'm grateful for my strength. Be grateful for the people you meet in your life. I am grateful for the challenges I am going through. You can write that, and you can also write that I am grateful for the challenges because I know it will make me stronger in my future, and I'm going to face that. You write that. I believe that with this you can find your real self and you can change your life forever. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to share and subscribe. Until next time, my friends, start today for better tomorrow and take action now and be legendary.